there was a case of suicide which was reported from a higher education institute which is situated in South Goa district yesterday night. It was a case of a female student committing suicide. We got the news around 10 o'clock at night, and soon after that, like police authority, district administration, say like myself and other people have reached the spot. Investigation is started. The inquiry is also going on. The preliminary investigation suggests that it is a case of a suicide. The parents of the deceased student are arriving and postmortem examination will be conducted. So after the investigation, we will be able to share the details about the incident. The government has constituted a district level committee in compliance to the directions of Honorable Supreme Court to see the implementation of various measures which have to be adopted by higher education institution to ensure the mental health condition of the students are protected. So this DLMC has inspected the campus couple of times. We have examined what is happening there, the entire academic ecosystem, and we have given suggestion to the institution for ensuring that the mental health concerns of the students are being protected. They have made a lot of changes based on the suggestions of the committee. For instance, they currently are having a 24/7 online counseling center or facility which was not available earlier. Similarly, other measures have also been adopted by the institution after taking the recommendation from the committee.